Today I want to teach you that readers can use words they know to read words they don't know. When you are stuck on a word, you can think, do I know how to read or write a word that looks like this one? Let's try this out together. Readers, you probably know these words well. Now, let's see if these words can help us read other words. Take a look at this word. Is there another word on the chart that will help you read this word? Does this word remind you of the word back on our chart? If this word says back, then our new word says stack. So I'm going to put the word stack under the word back. Now let's try another one. So first let's look at our three words, car, back, and will. And now let's look at our new word. Can any of the words that are already on our chart help us with this new word? I noticed that both words have the letters AR, the R sound in car. So I moved it underneath the word car, but now let's use the word car, the R sound, to help us read this new word. Sh-R-P-N, sharpen. Now let's try this word. Remember, we have the words car, back, and will. Take this new word and compare it with the other three words and see if one of those words can help you read this new word. Did you notice that the word will and our new word both have ILL, ill? So I'm going to use that to help me figure out this new word. Let's sound it out. Thrilling, thrill, thrilling. This word is thrilling. Let's go back to our book about Zelda and Ivy and see if we can use some of the words we know to help us read. Here's the part where Zelda and Ivy decide to run away. I'm going to begin on page 2. I'm coming too, said Ivy. Readers, I think there's a word up here that will help us read this word from Zelda and Ivy. Do you see it? Are you thinking about the word back? If we know how to read back, I bet we can read the first part of this word. Read this first part with me. P-ack, pack. Now, let's think about the last part. Packed. Let's read from the beginning of the sentence and make sure that it makes sense and sounds right too. She packed her Princess Mimi dolls, PJs, tea set, and Go Fish cards. Yes, it makes sense, sounds right, and looks right. Readers, when you're reading by yourself today, you can try the same thing. Look for parts of words that you already know from other words to help you figure out those hard new words.